And if you think about it, even mga magulang, wala rin silang guide. Di ba? Kung
Actually,
paano
totoo
nila
yun. Oo.
ipaprocess, paano nila i-accept, paano nila i-share, lalo na kung public figure sila. So,
Mm-mm.
sabi mo nga, all the more dead, no? Sabi mo nga, parang, oh, the fact that they were okay with it, they were willing to share. Yun pa yung isang kasi when I talk to parents, try to help them make sense, no? When their kids come out or parang may nasa-sense. Actually, most of the time, may nasa-sense yung parents. Bihira ako makamit ng parents na talagang
No
walang
clue.
no clue.
Oo,
Especially if you're
oo.
with them and you're raising these kids, di ba? Parang
Yes.
siguro naman may matutunugan ka. Pero usually nga, one of the sad things because yun na nga, depende sa messaging, depende sa kultura ng mga pamilya, it's become that hindi first to know ang parents eh. Di ba? Mauuna
Definitely.
sa
Oo.
friends, the peers.
Last sila.
Yeah, parang it's one of those sad things na hindi naman din kasalanan ng mga bata kasi it makes sense also, 'di ba? Kasi
Mm-mm.
you have the most to fear.
Exactly. It's always hardest to come out to the ones that you're closest to. Kasi yung opinion nila is yung pinahahalagahan mo eh. Diba?
Yeah. Kaya nga minsan I try to, get parents to understand. Kasi minsan nasa hurt sila. Na sila yung huli. Bakit? Diba? And I say, it's not, parang, it's not intentional in that sense. It's just that, yun na nga, your words, how you react, your eyebrows, di ba? How your eyebrows move when they tell you, it matters so much. It can devastate their world and they don't know, di ba? The kids don't know if they can handle that.
Yes, actually,
diba? Kasi,
we're getting, nagkukuha tayo ng lakas sa mga ibang tao sa labas para pag we're telling the people that matter the most, kahit anong mangyari, parang, diba, at least you have other support around you. So, very crucial talaga yung sa parents.
Yeah. Kaya nga sa akin, sabi ko, if I was a fairy godmother, diba, I wish I could wave a wand where such that that's not the fear anymore. Diba? Yung alam mo nang you can be assured na your parents will be the first ones to understand. Diba?
Yeah.
So between grade 3 to 3rd year, diba? 9 to about 15, 16 years old, diba? Medyo matagal-tagal din yon. Sabi mo nga kanina, sometimes coming out isn't necessary. Hindi mo kailangan sabihin talagang verbatim, 'di ba? Ito ako. And hindi ibig sabihin nagtatago ka, 'di ba? You're just yourself. You're being yourself. Bahala na what people, think and how they understand it. Exactly. Were you always like that since grade 3? Or meron ding part sa'yo na, tatago ko na lang to, kikimkim ko na lang to.
Ako naman, yes and no. So, depende kung sino yung nakaharap sa akin. So, if it's mga friends and stuff, wala. Not really. Hindi ako nagno-no. Pero yun nga, in my experience, madaming rumors kasi. So, minsan may mga friends ako na hindi naman kami romantically involved. Narurumor, yung parang nachichismis. Diba? So, yung mga ganun, yun, dinedeny ko talaga. Pero, when it comes to feeling the need to hide, I think more sa, authority figures, teachers, or mga tita. Siyempre, minsan may mga tita ka na hindi sila nahihiya magtanong. Parang, may tomboy ka ba?
Talagang tinatanong ka na.
Oo, growing up, ay, no po, tita. Boyish lang ako. Yung may mga ganun. Pero yung parents ko naman, they never asked directly. So, yun. Siguro, pero tinatago ko sa mga nakakatanda. Definitely.
Did you feel that, okay, I need to perform a little bit? Medyo baka kailangan maging feminine ng konti sa mga gatherings?
You know what? Actually, that's one misconception din na palagi kong binibring up when I talk to, pag may mga conversations like this, na may misconception that, let's say, lesbians, kailangan boyish. Diba? Pero, syempre, yung boyish kasi, or yung pagiging masculine, it's a way that we express ourselves. Pero, madami namang gay or lesbian na girly. Diba? Or femme, kung tawagin. So, yun lang. In our case lang, medyo, siguro mas halata, quote-unquote, kasi people assume kaagad na pag boyish ka, ay tomboy yan, ay tibo yan, diba? Pero in reality, yung pagiging gay or tibo or lesbian, it comes in different, diba? Different sizes, looks, everything. So, ako, growing up, did I have to be more feminine? Siguro, yes, because yun lang yung parang, okay, we're going to a party. What will I wear? Syempre, the dress. Hindi ko naiisip na may other options.
Kasi isa sa mga madalas na sabihin sa akin concerns ng mga parents, lalo na yung mga parents na talagang hindi talaga familiar with this, no? And they're a little scared and they're worried. Sabi nila, paano kung mabully ang anak ko? Paano kung may mananakit sa kanila? Diba dapat pilitin ko silang hindi maging LGBTQ, hindi maging gay, lesbian.
Kaya hirap naman nun, diba? If you have to change or force yourself to change. Mas malaki pa yung impact siguro sa mental health ng tao pag ganun.
And yun, speaking of mental health, diba, yung mga kids and teens na, hindi lahat blessed with a support, diba, a support system. Even if it's just one or two, it doesn't have to be a lot, diba? You just have to have that reliable set of people, friends, or a teacher. Alam mo, ang laking deal pag may teacher nakakatanggap. Diba? If there's an authority figure that completely understands and supports. So you just need a couple of people, not even a lot, even just your best friend. Even if it's just one person, it makes a big difference. Kasi pag ang bata, hindi nga lang sa sexuality, di ba? In other areas, pag ang bata, feeling nila wala silang, di ba? Wala nakakaintindi sa kanila. At hindi, the idea na hindi ako. Kasi pag feeling mo walang nagmamahal sa'yo for who you are, iisipin mo, hindi ako sapat. Hindi ako enough. Diba? Then it becomes like, I need to change why. Yeah. And pag mag-isa, doon talaga pumapasok. Diba yung sinasabi nilang, unfortunately, the statistics, diba, na mataas talaga yung mental health concerns and issues na de-depress. And it's because they're alone. So ito talaga gusto ko sabihin sa mga teachers, parents who are in places of authority, diba? The one thing you want to make sure is that they don't feel alone. You may not always understand the process kasi you haven't gone through the process. Ito yung sa parenting, hindi ko pinagdaanan to, so hindi ko alam ano yung mga anong stages, ano ba kailangan anak ko. Parang kahit hindi ko pa naintindihan, hindi ko pa alam anong nangyayari dito. Pero ang alam ko lang is dapat hindi ka mag-isa.
Yes.
Sa journey.
And actually, what my mom always says is even if meron siyang hindi mga naintindihan din, syempre kasi if we're going through something for the first time, what more our parents? Parang we're going through it together. So we also have to be forgiving or understanding na iba-iba din yung reaction. Kasi bago diba? It's something new. Pero yung sinasabi ng mom ko palagi is umiiral palagi yung love or yung pagmamahal sa anak. Kahit na may mga hindi siya maintindihan, yung unang niya is yung pagmamahal niya talaga sa amin or sa akin.